In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam download speed is stuck on 0. Now, first what you want to try is come to Steam and click on the Steam icon, then go into settings and come to downloads. What we want to try is enable limit download speed and choose a number between 5 and 10 just as a start and see if it starts downloading. Now if it starts downloading, you can just increase the number so it goes faster, but if it still doesn't download, another thing we can simply try is, we can just enable this again. The other thing we can try is come in here, go to your PC. Now check if you have 2 drives. If you have 2 and your Steam is installed on the D drive, make sure it's installed on the C drive. When you install Steam, you also want to make sure that the game you're installing is also on the C drive. For some reason, Steam has an error if you do anything on another drive than the main one, so keep that in mind. Now let's say a C drive is full and you really need to install it on the D drive. There's something that we can try. Come down here and open up Device Manager. From in here, choose Disk Drives. Select your second drive. This is my D drive. Right click on it, Properties, Policies, and disable this one. Now sometimes this fixes the issue, but if it doesn't, just try the first or the second solution. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.